Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Junior KG. Let's play with numbers. Lesson 6. Topic is what comes after. Page number 22-23. As you can see here, there are numbers 0 to 10. 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 5. What number is it? 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 5? 6. Next number is 0. What number is it? 0. What comes after 0? 1. What comes after 0? 1. So we write 1 here. Next number is 2. What number is it? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 2? 3. We write 3 here. Next number is 3. What number is it? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 3? 4. So we write 4 here. Next number is 8. What number is it? 8. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 8? 9. So we write 9 here. Next number is 7. What number is it? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 7? 8. So we write 8 here. Now solve page number 22-23 on your workbooks. Jazakallah.